नमस्ते, सदा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जेविन डॉक्टर एल के शर्मा, प्रोफेसर ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे our topic is Panchayat Samiti. Establishment of Panchayat Samiti. The state government may, by the notification in the official gazette, declare any local area within the same district to be a block, or for every block declared as such there shall be a Panchayat Samiti having jurisdiction, save as otherwise of the provided in this act, over the entire block, excluding such portion of the block are included in a municipality or a cantonment board constituted under any law for the time being in force, provided that the Panchayat Samiti may have its office in any area comprised within the excluded portion of the Panchayat Samiti. Every Panchayat Samiti shall, by the name notified in the official gazette, be a body corporate having the perpetual succession and common seal, and shall, subjected to any restrictions and conditions imposed by or under this act or any other law, have a power to acquire by purchase, gift, or otherwise to hold, administer, and transfer property, both movable and immovable, and to enter into any contract, and shall by the said name and shew and be shewed. The state government may, at a time after 1 month, notice published in the prescribed manner, either on its own motion or at the request of the Panchayat Samiti or of the resident of any area within the block of the Panchayat Samiti, and by notification the name of any such Panchayat Samiti. Composition of the Panchayat Samiti. A Panchayat Samiti shall consist of a directly elected members as many territorial constituencies, all the member of the legislative assemblies of the state representing the constituencies which comprise the whole or partly the Panchayat Samiti area. Chairperson of all the panchayats falling within the Panchayat Samiti, provided that the members referred to in 6 clause B, C shall have a right to vote in all the meetings of the Panchayat Samiti except those for the election and removal of the Pradhan and Up-Pradhan. The state government shall, in accordance with the such rules may be framed in this behalf, determine the number of territorial constituencies for each Panchayat Samiti area, thereupon so divided such area into a single member territorial constituency that the population of each territorial constituency is, so far as practicable, the same throughout the Panchayat Samiti area, provided that the Panchayat Samiti are having population not exceeding 1 lakh shall consist of 15th constituency, and in case of Panchayat Samiti area whose population exceeds on lakh, then for every 15,000 or part thereof in excess of 1 lakh, and said number of 15 shall be exercised by 2. Duration 5 years from the date of first meeting of the respective institutions and no longer. Electors and electoral rules. For each of the ward or constituency into which the area of the Panchayati Raj institutions is divided under this act, there shall be prepared and maintained in the prescribed manner by or under the supervision of State Election Commission an electoral roll thereof. Oath and affirmation. Every member or chairperson or deputy chairperson of the Panchayat Raj institutions shall, before entering upon his duties as such, make and subscribe before the competent authority on an oath and affirmation in the prescribed format. Elections of the Pradhan and Up-Pradhan. The elected members of the Panchayat Samiti shall, as soon as may be, choose 2 members from among themselves to be respectively the Pradhan and Up-Pradhan thereof, and so often as there is a casual vacancy in the office of Pradhan or Up-Pradhan, they shall choose another member from among themselves to be a Pradhan or Up-Pradhan as the case may be, provided that no election shall be held in if a vacancy is for a period of less than 1 month. The election of the Pradhan and Up-Pradhan and the filling up of the vacancy in the said offices shall be in accordance with the such rules as made by them. Resignations. A member holding office as a Pradhan of the Panchayat Samiti may resign his office at any time by writing under his hand addresses to the Pramukh and the Jila Parishad, and the Up-Pradhan or a member of a Panchayat Samiti may resign from his office at any time by writing under his hand addresses to the Pradhan Panchayat Samiti. Power and functions of the Pradhan. The Pradhan shall convene, preside and conducts a meeting of Panchayat Samiti, have full access to all its records, discharge all duties, impose and exercise all powers confirmed on him under this act and the rules made thereunder, and perform such function as are entrusted to him by the government from time to time. Encourage the growth of initiative and enthusiasm in panchayats, and provide to them guidance in plans and productions programs under by them, and help the growth of the cooperation and voluntary organizations. Power and functions of Up-Pradhan. The Up-Pradhan, in the absence of Pradhan, he presides over the meeting of the Panchayat Samiti, exercise such power and functions, such duties of the Pradhan of the Panchayat Samiti. Pending the elections of the Pradhan or during the absence of the Pradhan, he can performs all the functions which can be allotted to the Pradhan of the Panchayat Samiti. Meeting of the Panchayat Samitis. A Panchayat Samiti shall hold a meeting for a transaction of at least once a month. Functions and powers of the Panchayat Samiti. Subjected to the condition as may specified by the state government from time to time, the Panchayat Samiti shall perform the functions and exercise the power specified in the second schedule. Assignment of the functions of the Panchayat Samiti. First, the government may assign the Panchayat Samiti functions in relation to any matter to which the executive authority of the state government extend, or the functions which have been assigned to the state government by the central government. The state government may by notification withdraw or modify the functions assigned under this section. This is all about the Panchayat Samiti. If you're facing any problem, then write a comment on a comment box. Thank you.